I'm a juice bar fanatic. Like, I will hunt down a good juice bar on a hot Saturday afternoon just because. I go to different ones in my surrounding neighborhood just because, so I know a bit about what makes a great juice bar. So, I'm gonna break down what a great or good juice bar looks like and how you set your own one up. But before we do all that,
allow me to reintroduce
my name is
myself.
Devon, for the work Burke, the Wealth Builder himself, for the WealthBuilderz with a Z.com. That's the WealthBuilderz with a Z.com. And co-owner of the WealthBuilderz Solutions, LLC. If you love content like this video, we're talking about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like this video. Okay, let's break down a juice bar, right? A juice bar is an establishment that specializes in serving a variety of freshly made juices and sometimes other healthy beverages, right? These establishments typically offer a range of fruit, vegetable juices, smoothies, and sometimes shots of concentrated nutrients or supplements. Juice bars have become increasingly popular in recent years as people like me are seeking healthier and different sugary drinks and are looking for convenient ways to bring in more fruits and vegetables into their diets. Juice bars often use high quality, fresh ingredients and may offer organic options. Now, some common features of a juice bar include a menu with a variety of juice combinations and flavors, the option to customize your juice by selecting specific ingredients, and sometimes the inclusion of add-ons such as protein powders, sugar food boosters, or herbal supplements. Many juice bars also offer other healthy snacks or light, meals like salads, wraps, or fruit bowls. Now, juice bars can be found in standalone businesses like, your own little quick stores, right? And or you could do health food stores or a section within a large restaurant or cafe or even a supermarket. You can have it in a supermarket also. They are usually shopped and purchased by individuals that are health conscious, athletes, people looking to detoxify or boost their immune system. Now, starting a juice bar business can be a venture that can turn your life upside down or can make your life crazy, right? Or way better. Now, here's some steps to setting up your juice bar. Number one, research and planning. Identify your target market. Determine who your customers will be and what their preferences and needs are. Now, you need to conduct market research. Analyze the existing competition, trends, and demand for juice bars in your area. Develop a business plan. Outline your objectives, target market, pricing, marketing strategies, and financial projections. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your business. And if you need a business plan done, there's a link in the description. Number two, define your menu and concept. Decide on a type of juices, smoothies, or other products you want to offer. Focus on unique and healthy combinations that appeal to your target market. Consider offering seasonal specials to keep your menu fresh and exciting. Okay, people like fresh and exciting, trust me. Number three, find a suitable location. Location. Look for a location with high foot traffic or high car traffic, right? Ensure that the space has the necessary things needed to make a juice bar, including plumbing and electric requirements. Check your local zoning regulations and obtain any required permits or licenses. And number four, source equipment and supplies. Purchase at least commercial grade juicing, blenders, refrigeration units. Establish relationships with local suppliers to ensure a consistent supply of fresh fruits, vegetables, and other ingredients. And number five, set up your juice bar. Create an attractive and functional layout that allows for a good workflow. Design a welcoming ambiance that aligns with your brand. Invest in comfortable seating and attractive display areas for your products. And number 6, hire and train staff. Recruit employees who are knowledgeable about juices, customer service, and food safety. Train your staff on making juices, handling ingredients, and providing excellent customer service, because customer service brings in the customers and keeps them. You want to keep them. And number 7, develop a marketing strategy. Build an online presence. Definitely got to do it. Create a website and social media profiles to showcase your menu, location, and promotions. Offer promotions and loyalty programs to attract and retain customers. You can collaborate with local fitness studios, health clubs, and wellness influencers to reach out to your target market. And consider hosting tastings, workshops, or partnering with local events to increase visibility. Build out your social media profiles: Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, TikTok, and yes, YouTube. All right, and number 8, ensure that you have quality and consistency. All right, source high quality ingredients and maintain strict hygiene standards, because there's nothing worse than going into a location and it stinks and you're supposed to purchase something to put in your body from there. Crazy, right? And regularly evaluate customer feedback and make improvements accordingly. Consistently deliver excellent products and service to build a loyal customer base. That's why they keep coming back, man. You want repeat business. And number 9, monitor finances. Keep track of your expenses, revenue, and cash flow, right? Adjust your pricing and costs as needed to maintain profitability. Consider investing in point of sale systems to streamline operations and track sales. So remember, starting a business requires dedication, hard work, and adaptability. With careful planning and execution, you can establish a successful juice bar and provide customers with healthy and refreshing options. If you find yourself struggling with setting this up and you want to find a way to make 6 figures with almost any business off and online, then check out the WealthBuilderz system. That's the WealthBuilderz with a Z system.com. Following the WealthBuilderz system can be a lot of work. You're going to need to be consistent. You're going to need to put in work and change your mindset. But if you do all this, you will be a 6-figure earner in the next 6 to 12 months. So if you're ready, then click that link below and get started on your journey to creating a juice bar or any business you're looking to start. Till next time, WealthBuilderz, it's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon. Put in work. Burke, signing off for how to start a juice bar business the WealthBuilderz way. Do remember, WealthBuilderz, make more, save more, build more.